In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove those yellow armpit stains from your garments. I will be demonstrating this with this white dress shirt. As you can see, I also have these stains around the collar as well, and this is a simple, cheap, and effective way to get them clean, and anyone can do it, including you. The reason these stains form is caused by a reaction with your deodorant or your antiperspirant and the salt that is in your sweat. Here's what you need to remove them. Simple, 1 bottle of OxiClean, and that's it. I prefer the spray bottle. Simply flip your shirt inside out, grab your bottle of OxiClean, and spray the stain liberally, fully saturating it with the solution. After that, rub the shirt together with your hands to ensure the shirt has fully absorbed all of the OxiClean. After you finish one armpit, move over to the other side of the shirt and repeat the process. After you finish, let that OxiClean sit and dwell on the shirt for 24 hours before you actually put it in the wash to wash it. After the 24 hours has elapsed, lightly spray the stain again with that OxiClean and wash the garment as you normally would, and then dry the garment as you normally would, and you will be amazed that the stains will be gone. I'll even give you some more advice that comes directly from the OxiClean bottle. It says, let the OxiClean dwell on the stain for up to a week for really bad stains. So, if 24 hours doesn't work, try it for longer. Repeat the process. Do it a few more times. Give it a few more goes until it works, and you're done. And that is how to remove yellow armpit stains from your shirt. If you're wondering why you should put vinegar in your washing machine, click the video on the screen now, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.